Hello, my name is David McMayer. I'm a math teacher at Southwest High School, and this is the IB Mathematics Analysis and Approaches Higher Level Year 2 course. Some of the math that you see on the page is reflective of math that we'll be learning this year. One thing that we really try to do is prepare students for the IB Mathematics Analysis and Approaches higher level exams that happen in May. We're also preparing students for the AP Calculus exams that happen in May, and we're participating in a concurrent enrollment calculus course that offers college credit through the Minneapolis colleges. Mostly what I'm trying to do is provide a sense of wonder about mathematics, and I'm finding that there's a lot of good problems that are available in textbooks and good discussion and good investigations, but I'm also finding that there's plenty of resources available online. Some of the people that you see there on the left are just people that I find inspiration from on a regular basis online. The grading in this course happens on a 10-point scale. The final grade is 90% dependent on assessment results and 10% dependent on assigned practice completion. I take in work on an online fashion through Gradescope. This is an online platform that allows me to take in pictures of paper copies of exams or assigned practice from students. Students can upload that work into Gradescope, either as a PDF or as a picture. And then I can, in an online platform using a rubric, grade that work. I can also provide some pointed feedback directly on the work and annotate on the work, and then send that annotated copy back to students. It's really a nice program, so this is something that I make use of. We will also be using the ManageBack platform. The ManageBack platform allows us to take a look at the internal assessment and then provide some feedback based on a rubric and work within the IB framework there. I use Remind to contact students and parents. This is a communication tool that I basically use to push out information to students, whether that be some information about assigned practice or just class notes. It comes to you in a PDF form, and then students can actually use this to communicate back with me. If you reply to any message, just initiate a message, you can take a picture of the work that you are puzzled about and then send that to me. I can usually respond at any time of the day. It's like getting a text message, so if I have a moment, I can scratch out a response on a piece of paper and take a picture and send it back to you. I can also make a short video and send that back to you. It's actually a really powerful tool that is designed specifically for teachers and students and parents. In this class, we'll be learning mostly about calculus for the first semester, and then in the second semester we'll spend some time working on the IB exploration, learning about some probability distributions that you didn't quite make it to last year, and then working on the review for the exams that happen at the end of the year. I found this graphic online, and I think it kind of summarizes what we try and do in education. As teachers, we work with the overall community and the family to try and support the student in the middle. So one thing that I think is worth pointing out here is that you as the student might actually just be part of the community. You might be supporting another student. You see, working on math, you get stuck, and that's normal. In fact, I think working on math, you should get stuck, because that's really how you learn when you go through that process of getting unstuck. So I think you should make a plan now. When you get stuck, are you going to connect with friends? Are you going to consult the internet? Are you going to reach out to me? Whatever you do, you should make some plans now. I think you earn super duper mythical bonus points. Those are a thing. If you can recognize when someone else is stuck and then find a way to help them understand the math that you seem to understand now. Grades aside, I focus on the learning side of things. I believe that the results of what we do in class during this year are really not measured in grades. Learning math at this level is a long-term plan for success. Some of my former students went on to study mathematics and then directly apply those skills in their career. The truth is, most of my former students did not go on to study mathematics, but they're still applying curiosity and some mathematical skill in their careers now. Your path is unknown. It'll be exciting to see how it all play out, but I know that we're going to need to be patient and wait and see what happens.